In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your TradingView chart. So I'm going to show you the best way to get access to your trading pair as easily as possible so that you don't have to search it again. Also, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get access to the toolbar that you want to use so that you can have it here. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, you've already know the pair that you are trading. So you just come here on your watch list and just click on this plus icon, then type the pair that you want to I used to trade majorly BTC and XAU. So immediately you type in the pair that you want to trade, just click on this plus icon and it will automatically add to your watch list. So you can simply just click it and then you get access to your pair. So and it will show at the bottom, so you can simply just drag it and move it up like this. So then do it for the other pair that you are trading. And also, if you want to have access to the toolbar, for example the ellipse, mostly I used to use the rectangle, yes, and trend line. So what you're going to do is just come to these geometric shapes and then look for the toolbar that you want to use, then start them, like favorite them, then after that it will automatically appear here. So yeah, and also come to this first one, the trend line tools, then also click on this star, and the last part should be your buy and sell tool. So just click on it, sorry, this projection, and then start it, both the long and short position. And also, if you want to set alerts, you can simply just come here and click on this plus icon to set alerts. You can even change the notification, the ringing tone, and etc. You can also add indicator. I use session indicator, so that I can see when the market is moving, the session that the market is moving. I use the both New York and London session. So I think that's it. This is the best way to customize your TradingView chart. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel.